Avocado farming secrets for 60% yield increase and 35% cost-cutting secret. Summary. This is your avocado farming prosperity blueprint. 7 pillars of avocado success. Number 1 is proper site and rootstock selection, preventing between 30 to 60% root rot mortality through drainage and phytophthora tolerant genetics. Number 2, optimal planting density, between 400 to 500 trees per hectare, balancing clearly returns with long-term productivity. Number 3, precision irrigation maintaining, between 40 to 60% soil moisture, preventing both stress and waterlogging. Number 4, comprehensive nutrition, emphasizing potassium for quality fruits. Number 5, effective pollination through pollinizer mixing and honeybees achieving between 5 to 15 fruit sets versus between 0.1 to 1%. Number 6, integrated disease management, focusing on phytophthora prevention through drainage, rootstocks, irrigation control, mulching, and phosphate spraying. Number 7 is optimal harvest timing based on dry matter, ensuring quality fruit commanding premium prices. Expected transformation, yields increasing between 30 to 60% from 6 to 10 tons to 12 to 20 tons per hectare or even more. Tree survival improving from between 60 to 70% to more than 95% through rot prevention. Fruit quality improvement achieving between 70 to 85% premium grade versus between 30 to 50%. Per unit production costs reduced by between 20 to 35% through improved efficiency and reduced mortality. Gross revenue of between $24,000 to $60,000 per hectare. That is from between 12 to 20 tons at the cost of $2 to $3 per kg production costs of between $8,000 to $15,000 per hectare. Net profits of between $16,000 to $45,000 per hectare annually once mature. Extending productive orchard life from between 20 years to 30 years to between 40 to 60 years through proper management and creating genuine agricultural prosperity. Here is your call to action. Your avocado prosperity begins today. Therefore, this week, evaluate potential or existing sites, assessing drainage critically. Research phytophthora tolerance, rootstock availability. Calculate current production costs and yields per hectare, establishing baseline. Identify biggest constraints, likely pollination, disease, irrigation, or quality issues. This month, conduct professional site assessment if planning establishment. This is between $500 to $2,000 investment, preventing between $50,000 to $150,000 mistakes. Install soil moisture sensors and pollinizer integration strategy. Connect with successful growers, learning from experience. Join grower associations. Accessing technical resources. Next season, implement precision irrigation based on sensors. Establish comprehensive phosphate spray program. Integrate honeybee pollination. Conduct pre-harvest maturity testing. Optimize harvest timing for quality and markets. Document results comparing to baseline. Engage. Like this video, helping YouTube share this knowledge with avocado farmers worldwide. Comment sharing your situation, challenges, and questions. Are you struggling with phytophthora mortality, alternate bearing, poor fruit set, quality problems? Discuss solutions. Share widely. Every farmer helps multiplies prosperity. Subscribe for weekly content including disease management updates, irrigation strategies, market analysis, and grower success stories. Turn on notifications, staying current with new releases. In conclusion, your avocado farming prosperity awaits. Avocado farming represents one of the horticulture's greatest opportunities. In global demand, premium pricing, and potential for genuine prosperity. But success requires understanding and respecting avocado biology, implementing proven practices systematically, and committing to excellence throughout establishment and production. These integrated sustainable practices, proven across thousands of successful orchards globally, provide you a complete roadmap for from site selection through harvest optimization. Proper drainage and rootstocks prevent root rot. Precision irrigation maintains optimal moisture. Effective pollination eliminates alternate bearing. Quality focus captures premium prices. The transformation requires patience, between 3 to 7 years establishment before significant production. Capital investment of between $8,000 to $15,000 per hectare establishment cost. Systemic implementation, that is following proven practices, not shortcuts, and attention to critical details like irrigation precision, pollination optimization, and harvest timing. But the rewards, between $16,000 to $45,000 per hectare net annual profit once mature. Genuine agricultural prosperity, family security, and generational wealth justify the investment. Thousands of growers worldwide have achieved this transformation from struggle to prosperity. You can too. Your avocado farming success story begins today. Take action this week. Plan systematically. Implement with discipline. Commit to excellence. Build the prosperous avocado enterprise you and your family deserve. Your prosperous avocado farming future awaits. The journey begins now. Go claim it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for weekly content transforming avocado farming livelihoods worldwide. Together, we are building a global community of successful avocado growers, proving that proper management creates prosperity. Welcome to your avocado farming transformation. Let's make it extraordinary.